Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku we have here. And I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper of Friday, September the 24th, 2021, we have no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I will decide to solve the Tuesday edition, yes, the Tuesday edition, because the Wednesday edition I've already solved in the Thursday edition. So I completed, but in this edition we have 3 puzzles left: the 1 star, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. But first we will solve this baby. Number, yes, Sudoku Heavy number. Let me position the camera. Alright. Number 3440. Alright. 3440. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. Yes, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and 3 stars, and the 4 stars, and the additional, this will be a 3 stars. And for 3 star Sudoku or puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 2 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 4 6s. Okay, 4 6s, 3 7s, 1 8, and 2 9s. Let me scan for the 6. Yes, I can start with the 6. 1 2 3 5 6s. I cannot overlooked. Yes, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So on the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. Alright. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in the third row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, we see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. Let me think. How about the number? The number. One, two, three, four, five, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. 2. And I'm stuck with the 2 again. Just like with the 5. Need to wait. How about the number? We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 7 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Now, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the 3rd column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the 2nd column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. Okay. That means the two numbers left in the last row. For the numbers 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. Yes. 2 and 4. Let me mark those again. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2. The 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those. It's a pair. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 4. Yeah. 6. I'm scanning. How about the number 3, 3. Four missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is a 9. And we see a 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two numbers left in the first column for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. Two numbers left in this row. 1. The 2 is missing. 3 is also missing. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Here also 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. And the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs. Okay, so we have a 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two numbers left now in this row for the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and no 1 and the 4. Need to mark them. Alright. Alright, so what are the other 3 numbers? In the middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5, 6, and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Alright. Then. We have an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Okay, now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here. This box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. One box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, and a 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, we see a 1 and 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow! 20 to 30 minutes. I have was my time limit, but 50 minutes. So I'm very well pleased. Is this a 3 stars? No, I think it's rather a 2 stars. Yes, give me this. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Playlist for the tectonic, for the binary, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And later on, I will continue with the Tuesday edition with the rest of the puzzles, because there are no extra Sudokus in today's newspaper. So, yes, I will see you then. Bye-bye. For now. Sudoku Heavy? No. Light. I think it's light. How light? Very, very light. See you then. Bye bye for now.